All right, I just finished the initial build of the dual PC system. Um, yeah, this thing is ridiculous. The only drawbacks I have really is the fact that these the li- the lines for the cooler are, pretty pretty taut. Well, stretched out, but they're not like super tight. You're not going to be able to see the effects from this cooler here. I mean, it's the same one that's up here, but this one you won't be able to see. But I was following what some of the YouTubers were saying, some of the, more renowned computer builders, and I went ahead and did the tubes down and tubes at the bottom to allow for the air to sit here at the top of the rad and then up here at the top of this rad. I am thinking about going push-pull up here as well, just to go overboard with it, but we'll see. I did the Lian Bora fans up front. These are running together off the ITX header. This one back here is running off of the header up here, or I'm sorry, down here, and then the top and the bottom fans are running on the chassis fan there. So it should be enough airflow here. We'll see. I have to mess with the configuration, but yeah, the Elgato's there. Got the ATX has a GPU with the EVGA power link to reroute the cables, make it a little more clean. Vertical GPU here. Temps might be an issue with the glass on, but we'll see. But yeah, that's why I went with.